I went to school for communications and journalism. I started working in pharmaceutical public relations. It's very regulated, very dry, very black and white. Just not super creative, and I love being creative. I've always been like that. I wanted to do something, have a hobby, and I started cooking. I started documenting that on a blog, and I got an email from a publisher. I sent it to my husband and I said, wouldn't it be hysterical if I wrote a cookbook? How wild would this be if it was true? 12 years ago, I wrote my first cookbook and I loved it and I never looked back. And now I've got 10 official cookbooks where I'm the author and then about 5 ninja cookbooks. I'm Kenzie Swanhart. I am Senior Director of the Ninja Test Kitchen and I have been at SharkNinja for 8 years. Every day is a little bit different. I get in after getting the kids ready, getting myself ready, getting out the door. Really try to split my time between, catching up with the cross-functional team, jumping in the kitchen to see how the products are performing, and then a few times a week, I also get to spend time doing QVC, going on air. We're in the QVC filming studio that we created so that we can film for QVC live broadcast remotely, which is always really fun. It's time, it's midnight, let's go.
This is Kenzie Swanhart. She is our representative for Ninja. Good to see you. Since we kicked this off at midnight Eastern time last night, we've taken orders for 19,500. We are wildly busy.
When I'm on air and somebody calls in and they're like, oh my gosh, I have this oven that you're selling and I use it every day and let me tell everyone else that's watching why I love it, that's a win.
Yes, bust out heavy day.
Thank you so much. So I like to say that Ninja Test Kitchen is a blend of the art and science of food because we have food scientists who really dig into the data, they have the metrics. We can actually go put French fries into the texture analyzer and see how crunchy they are and if they meet consumer expectations. They look pretty good though. And then we have research chefs who are masters of the art of culinary. And we also do recipe and content. We've come a long way, not just in the number of people we have on the team or the types of people we have on the team, but how we're able to impact the product. Okay, great, but he needs some sprinkles. Yeah, that looks awesome. It's not just about checking the box and saying, oh, we tested this and it passed, but what does that pass mean? What does that mean for mom at home when she gets this? Not just satisfy someone in their home, but excite them in their home. And I think that's why SharkNinja and I fit so well together because we both have the same goal at the end of the day. And how I share it with people may be a little bit different, but it's just how can I do something to make you happy? How can I make your life a little bit easier? And I think that's really why I wake up every morning, leaving a lasting impact on people. Good job.
What would your advice be to someone like me that's starting off?
That's a tough one. I think I'd probably say just only do things that you're passionate about. I'm gonna get so emotional, guys. Sorry. You constantly are gonna get told what to do, by everyone. And I feel for a really long time, I just kept trying to do what everyone else was saying was the equation for success. But at the end of the day, you define what that is for yourself. No one else does. One thing that has made me really successful at SharkNinja is the tribe I have of people around me. A core group of not just colleagues, but friends. Having really caring and passionate and supportive people around you is super important. End of the day, I can't write your path or what's successful to you. Try to take bits and pieces from women I see who are successful or things that I care about and want to do and figure it out for myself and make what I want it to be like. There is no one size fits all. You can change little things and just create a brand new recipe. I'm Kenzie and I am SharkNinja.